This is how you can set up a boat owner account and add your first boat. On the welcome screen, select your preferred language. In this case, we're going to choose English. Enter your first name.
Welcome to BoatBot. Are you ready to get your ship together? I'm Captain AI, your go-to boating expert. Click me anytime for answers. Think of me as ChatGPT for your boat.
After the voice prompt is done, select Set up your boat profile. Enter your last name and email address as well as your phone number, and enter a password. Click on Sign Up. For security, you would be greeted with an SMS verification screen. Please enter the SMS code that was sent to you via text. Once the verification is successful, you will be taken to the Set Up Your Boat profile page. Enter the boat name, then the manufacturer for the boat. You will notice this pre-populates the next drop-down for you to enter your make and model. Select the year in which the boat was built, and then your slip number. Click on Submit. You have just registered your first boat. Next, add your boat details, whether it's an inboard or an outboard engine, the number of engines on the boat, and the fuel type. After that, you have the option of selecting any other systems that are available on your boat. Do you have a generator? Is there an AC or heat, a water maker, refrigerator, etc.? Now your boat and your boat profile have been set up.